What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BZ Rider, bringing you guys back yet another famous video. We're going to be doing something to the Z that I've been wanting to do ever since I've gotten the Z, to be honest with you guys, but it's also another thing that I have not felt like doing. So no, this is not turbo, this is not boost or anything like that just yet. But yeah, I have a 2004 Nissan 350Z from 06 and up. They did a front end update on them, which they changed the front bumper as well as changed the headlights. I was able to pick up a set from the 06 and up. I picked up a set of headlights. One headlight was pretty foggy, but I was able to restore that. I did that off camera. In case you guys want to know how I restore my headlights and make them look like new, make sure you check out this video right here. The only thing is I had to get ballast as well as lights. I just picked some up off of Amazon. I picked up some ballast. They came with bulb. We'll see how good they are. More than likely I probably will change them out later on. My headlights have this wrap on them. I did those myself, but that's kind of like how the 03 through 05 headlights are. This is how the 06 and up headlights are. This is actually the headlight that I restored. I should have got a picture of it before I restored it. I'll see if I can find one. The other one wasn't too bad. I was able to I just used, it's kind of funny because there's a G35 on the front of these, so you know we get a bad rep. You know, the Meguiar's Plastic X. That's what I used on the headlight. That wasn't too bad. I hate removing body panels. It is what it is, I guess. Since my 350 is a base model, now pay attention guys, because this may be important. So if you have a base model 350, like how wiring harness for your headlights is a 6-pin connector. The HID, those have an 8-pin connector. So what I did was I could have done the wiring myself. I decided to get a plug and play kit. I'll make sure I leave a listing for everything, all the parts that I'm talking about. I'll make sure that I'll leave something down below in the comments in case you guys need to grab them yourselves. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications so that way you get updates whenever I update a new video. Without further ado, y'all know how we gonna do this. Well, I guess I can't really do an unbox. These were not new headlights. They came in a box, like they came in depot boxes, but it's not really like a unboxing per se. I digress, y'all. We'll go ahead and get started in this. Just to kind of get into it real quick, you know, you got your tabs along your bumper that you gotta remove. Then there's also screws that are inside in the fender, in which I gotta take my fender liner out over on this side. So I'm gonna have to jack up the car over here. It's not in on this side because that flew out on the highway on me. But the reason why you have to do that is because, so there's, you know, bolts for the headlight up here, and then there's also some down in the bumper. Okay, so guys, this is over here on the driver's side where I don't have my splash shield in, because when I was installing that guy there, my splash shield came off on me on the highway. But anyway, I digress. Right here is the harness for the headlights. Okay, yeah, we're gonna put a screwdriver and try to pry that down. Ah! Woo, okay. Alright guys, so then over here on the passenger side there are 3 bolts. I'll be able to show them to you here. You got one here, another one a little bit further up, and this one down here. So 1, 2, 3. I promise you, it seems like I have the worst luck sometimes. When I was loosening up the bolts for the bumper, my camera fell and I broke my lens. I had the camera up on the caliper and it just decided to, you know, tuck and roll and do a backflip and broke the lens. Hopefully this will be okay, because this is going to be how the new look of the videos will be. So cool, but kind of an unexpected expense. As you guys can see, we have the bumper off now. After I got the bolts in the fender well, then there's just the little tabs that are along here. Those just pop up, and then you can just pull the bumper cover off. Now with all that out the way, we can continue on with the video of getting the headlights out and putting in the new ones. With the headlight adapter, the plug and play adapters, this is pretty much what it looked like. You got the factory 6-pin that will go into the non-HID harness, the halogen harness, which is on the car. And then on the other side, you have the 8-pin, which goes into the HID headlight. If you have a non-HID model and you're putting in HIDs, this is going to be the harness that you need. Make sure that has the female 6-pin and the male 8-pin. It just plugs in, snaps in, no problem. Man, whoo, guys, this is looking good. I've been waiting to do this for a while. I know I'm not finished with this 100%. I still got to put the bumper on, but this has been something that I've been wanting to do to the Z pretty much since I've gotten it. Unrelated to this, I'm going to put a couple additional parts on here onto the Z while I have it up in the air and the bumper is off. I have a cold air intake, and the filter for the intake is right down here. Well, there's been a couple times I've been driving the Z and it's been a little wet out. The moisture gets up into my intake, so I ordered a rain sock that I'm going to put on here. Think of this as like a little bonus for this video, just for you guys sticking around. The package that came in, I ordered it from Amazon. Let's open this thing up. This is what it looks like. It looks like a do-rag in a way. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on here. Supposedly this is supposed to help repel moisture and things like that. And I'll also put a new splash shield in as well. All right, so this should be as easy as slipping it on. That's installed. That should gain about like 80,000 horsepower from it. No, but seriously, that should help out with sucking water up into my intake, because I do not want to hydro lock this engine. Let's go ahead and finish getting this front end on. We can get the Z back down the ground and look at how wonderful it looks now. All right, guys, so we are out here at probably my favorite location. I just like love this area because of like the graffiti that's on like the wall and stuff. We have the headlights officially on the car. The Z is put back together, as you guys can see. Man, these headlights are amazing. Like, I love them. Of course, now that I've got, you know, different headlights on the Z, now the only thing that is going to be left, honestly, is I definitely feel like I gotta do something about the taillights now. Like, I need to get something that's going to complement it as well. So just real talk on the headlights. Installation was very easy. It was plug and play. The only difficult part was removing the bumper, but then after that, everything else literally plugged in and worked how it was supposed to. My turn signals are blinking fast. I put LED turn signals in there, so I need to put like some low resistors in there in order to correct the hyper flashing or whatever. Anyway, guys, with that being said, we're gonna get ready to close this video out with some nice B-roll footage, maybe some drone footage of the Z. 10 out of 10, must be done. This is probably, besides getting my wheels, this is probably my favorite cosmetic mod that I've done. Like, it definitely changes the look of the Z. How can you not like that? It just looks so good. But yeah, guys, that's gonna conclude this video here. Like I said, we'll end this with some nice B-roll, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of bird.